In this video, we're diving into how to create a membership site using GoHighLevel step by step. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help build your first website in digital products. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to plan your membership site, set it up inside GoHighLevel, automate things like onboarding and payments, and market it to your audience. So whether you want to sell courses, offer a coaching community, or create a subscription-based resource library, we'll walk through the entire process in clear, actionable steps. Why membership sites are a powerful business model. Membership sites have become increasingly popular because they provide predictable, recurring income. Instead of making a one-time sale and constantly chasing new customers, you build a community that stays and pays each month for ongoing value. According to various industry reports, subscription-based businesses have grown exponentially over the past decade, with businesses offering memberships experience much higher retention than those relying solely on one-off sales. Members become invested in the community or content that you provide, which means longer customer lifespans and more opportunities to upsell or cross-sell additional products. Membership sites also foster deeper relationships with your audience. When people join your community, they're not just buying a product, they're becoming part of an exclusive group. You can interact with them, gather feedback, and create content tailored to their needs. This makes your offerings more valuable and helps you stand out in crowded markets. Now, why choose GoHighLevel for membership sites? GoHighLevel stands out because it's an all-in-one platform that combines website building, sales funnels, email marketing, SMS, a CRM, and membership capabilities. While other tools like Kajabi or Teachable focus primarily on course hosting, GoHighLevel integrates everything that you need to attract, convert, and retain your members. With a single login, you can design your membership portal, automate onboarding sequences, process payments through Stripe or PayPal, and market your offers through funnels and email sequences. This eliminates the need to string together multiple software tools, saving you time and reducing complexity. GoHighLevel's membership builder is drag and drop, so you don't need any coding skills. You can upload videos, PDFs, and other resources, organize them into modules, and set drip schedules to release content over time. GoHighLevel's automation tools let you trigger emails and SMS messages when members sign up, complete lessons, or just stop engaging. The built-in CRM tracks members' activity and provides insights so you can make data-driven decisions. All these features make GoHighLevel ideal for coaches, course creators, agencies, and anyone who wants to monetize their expertise through recurring revenue. So if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, just click the link down below in the description. That'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and get started with a free 14-day trial so you can go ahead and try out all the bells and whistles of GoHighLevel and see how it's going to work for you in your membership website. Step by step, planning your membership site. So step one is to define your membership model. Before you build anything, decide what kind of membership you're offering. Will it be a monthly subscription with ongoing access, a one-time fee for lifetime access, a tiered model where different levels include different content and perks? Clarifying this upfront helps you structure your content and pricing. Step two, outline your content. Map out the material you'll include in your membership site. This could be video lessons, PDF downloads, templates, checklists, or live sessions. Group related content into modules or categories. Organizing content logically helps members navigate and it prevents overwhelm. If you're repurposing existing content, decide what to include for paying members and what remains free. Step by step, building your membership site in GoHighLevel. Set up your GoHighLevel account and sub-account. Once you're logged in, we're going to create a sub-account for your business. So let's do that now. I'll go ahead and log in to GoHighLevel and I'll come into a sub-account here. And on the left-hand side, we'll come to sites. So here under sites, we'll go to websites and click new website and we'll select from a template. Step 4, create a new membership site. So let's come over here and we'll go ahead and there's different categories here. So we can go ahead and click on that and we'll click on show more. There's also different types of websites. So let's check that out. Let's click on show more. Let's take a look at, we'll go to the business coaching and consultant and we'll find one of these templates to start with. I like this wellness coaching one. So let's do that one. We'll go ahead and choose that template. And now it's going to go ahead ahead and just get that ready in the background. Step 5, add lessons and modules. Create your first product. Okay, so here we go. We just got our, wellness coach website template set up. So in here, we can go ahead and, make any changes that we'd like here. But for right now, we're just gonna publish this so that we can go ahead and add the membership features. So we'll go ahead and we'll click save up here in the top right, and we'll go back. So from here, we're gonna come down to memberships. This is where we can go ahead and add those courses. So up here under courses, you can select products, offers, analytics, settings, or dashboard. Let's just start with dashboard. Okay, and here we are in the membership dashboard. So if we come back to courses, we can come to products, and here we can go ahead and create a course. So to do that, we'll come up here, we'll click create product, we'll click start from scratch, and this is where you can choose a sprint course. So these are short courses to build gateway to memberships, a marathon course, so you can train and upskill your audience within your niche, memberships, so you can nurture and mentor your network, or you can build your own. Let's go with this membership, and we'll start building that, and we'll call this, maybe fitness membership. Cool. And create product. So this is where you can go ahead and start to outline and build your course. So here we have the outline. So we've got different modules with different lessons. For example, training and, lesson 1, 2, 3, right? So we can create, maybe we have one around training, one around nutrition, one around recovery, and then different lessons to go in there. Obviously, this is going to be specific to the type of course or membership that you're trying to create, but updating this is really easy. So we can create a new category here. Maybe we'll call this nutrition, and we scroll down, and now we have this new category here where we can go ahead and add a new lesson. So we can either add a lesson or a subcategory or an assessment. So let's go ahead and add a lesson, and we'll just call this, maybe fat loss 101, click save. And now we can click right here and we can click edit. And this brings us into the actual lesson itself. So we can change the title, we could change the category, we can write a description or have, stuff here, right? Kind of explaining what to expect from this lesson. And then we can upload a video, or we could upload audio. And then down here, we can attach other files like PDFs or anything else necessary for this lesson. GoHighLevel makes it super easy to create your courses and lessons. Step 6, set drip schedules and access levels. So drip content means releasing lessons over time rather than all at once. So you might schedule a new module to unlock each week to keep members engaged and reduce overwhelm. Set drip rules for each module or lesson by specifying how many days after enrollment it unlocks. If you have multiple membership tiers, define which content each tier can access. For example, your basic level might get access to the first module, while premium members get all the modules. Step 7, configure payment processing. So GoHighLevel integrates directly with Stripe and PayPal. So to do that, we'll come over here, and under memberships and under courses, we'll come to offers. So think of products as the actual thing that the customer or client gets, and think of offers as the thing that you sell them and the thing that they buy. So we'll come here and we'll click on create offer. We'll call this fitness membership. And then here we can select our products. So we've got that fitness membership we created. We'll select that type free. We'll go ahead and turn a payment mode, test mode on. Now you need to set up your payments to be able to change this from free to paid. And then there's a price text override that you can do there. So we'll go ahead and click on create. And now in here again, we can go ahead and add a description. We can change the status to publish. Once we have the payment set up, we can edit the pricing. So again, you can choose either one-time payment or recurring subscription. And this is where you can choose the products included. So here's where you can go ahead and offer access. So set accessibility for members who purchase this offer so they can begin at a specific time, right? So you can choose that by date, and then also choose how long they have to access it. So maybe you only want to access it for them for 6 months or 30 days or whatever the case may be. That's how you can update that setting. Step 8, build your membership funnel. So even the best membership site needs a sales funnel to attract and convert members. So to go ahead and do that, again, over here on the left-hand side, you can come to sites. We'll go ahead and click OK. And here for funnels, we can go ahead and click create new funnel. You can start from blank, use AI, or pick a template. We'll go ahead and pick a template. And And since we're doing a fitness one, we'll go ahead and just choose this nutrition one and let that add in there. Okay, so here we go. This is the funnel. This could almost act as your landing page for the course, right? So you could have some pictures of your course right there. This button you could change to go purchase that course. Could throw up some client testimonials. And once you're happy with it, make sure to hit save and publish. Step 9, automate onboarding and nurture sequences. So to get there, on the left-hand side, you'll come to automations. And here you can go ahead and click create a workflow. You can also create a new folder for this entire course. Maybe you're gonna have multiple different workflows. And similar here, you can select from template. You can import a campaign, but we'll go ahead and select from template. And again, here, recipe. So you can search for tons of stuff in here, right? You could have a whole automation for onboarding, one for converting the lead, or whatever else you feel like you need. Step 10, launch and test your membership site. So before announcing your membership publicly, test it thoroughly. Create a dummy member account and go through the entire process. Sign up through your funnel, receive onboarding emails, log in, and access the content. Verify that the drip schedules work, payments process correctly, and all links function. Check your site on both mobile devices and desktop to ensure responsiveness. Ask a friend or colleague to test as well and provide feedback. Marketing and growing your membership. So launching is only the beginning. To grow your community, you need a marketing strategy. Build awareness and generate leads. You want to create valuable content, such as blog posts, podcasts, or free webinars that addresses your audience's pain points. Use this content to promote a lead magnet, a free checklist, mini course, or resource in exchange for email addresses. Then you can nurture these leads with emails inside GoHighLevel that demonstrate your expertise and introduce the benefits of joining your membership. With consistent effort and attention to your members' needs, your membership site can become a sustainable source of income and impact. So if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, just click the link down below in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission if you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.